Design has been an integral part of the Mazda brand from the very beginning, and our Kuro Edition lineup is the latest expression of that design-centric culture. The details are in the finishing touches. They elevate a great vehicle to the next level. In many instances, those details can define the trim level of the vehicle and the appeal it might hold for any given person, which is why we have created the all-new Kuro Edition Mazda CX-5. Equipped with a 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine with cylinder deactivation and a Skyactiv Drive 6-speed automatic transmission, the Kuro CX-5 builds on the GS trim with comfort package. It features a number of distinct design touches meant to attract people with an expressive sense of style. Black metallic finish alloy wheels and gloss black door mirrors have been created to complement the available jet black and polymetal gray exterior colors. That same design flair is evident in the interior details, which include garnet red leather seats, red stitching on select surfaces, and unique black interior trims. The Kuro Edition CX-5 also includes functional features such as heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10-way power driver's seat, memory driver's seat with 2 profile settings, 6-way power front passenger seat, and the Mazda Connect infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The net result is an interior that feels as special as the exterior in a way that seamlessly applies the finishing touches to the Kuro Edition CX-5. Effortlessly sophisticated, the Kuro Edition Mazda CX-5 exudes confidence. From its bold exterior design to its black metallic alloy wheels, down to its garnet red leather interior, it was crafted specifically to connect you with the road, so you can feel the joy of driving.